Okay, check this out. Of course, there's owls right here. If you can see this, it's a barn owl. But you can check this out right here. Look at that. It's time. It's getting dark earlier, so it's like that time of the year. I wish it would be lighter, like till at least the end of August. Like light till 9:30 till the end of August. There's a sliver. Well, it's a little more than a sliver right now. There was a guy that had a Tesla and he had it charged up, so he walked around this whole complete thing, walked all the way around, and came up that way because he had to charge up his car he had 2 hours and 40 minutes to drive, and he couldn't make it because he had to charge it up. Isn't that something? No, thank you on the electric cars. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Two of them. That's two, I think. Three. No, that's three.